Many of you know him, some of you don't. If you don't, you're going to soon. Very dynamic developer, mentor of the year. One of the things we love best about this guy is he tells you how it really is. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to our very good friend, Mr. Jeremiah.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Scott. It's like American Idol up here. We got everybody. And Simon.
Yeah, right. For sure.
I know. Yeah, that's the first thing I thought when I got the mic. The thing I just want to preface, and I love saying shit that get everyone riled up, is that, it's just, we got to open up and create a place of a circle of trust so that there's no reason to defend ourselves up here, right? Mm-hmm. This is where we get good feedback and we listen, and I just want to be careful how quickly everyone wants to defend their deal or their business plan. That like this is the one place that you got to open it up, right? And really just to let
sure.
And I've gotten annihilated up here, so don't. I'm speaking first, okay? So it's not like I'm protected from this. So I just shut my mouth and listen, and then that's why we're here to get the coaching. That's why we spend all this money. So I wanted to highlight that, and then I think the value in the group is really getting the inside scoop into a lot of these nuances of commercial real estate that we don't know. Like, I am so narrowly focused in my asset classes in storage and manufactured housing. So if I'm a great basketball player or a great fighter, like, and I don't know that type of game, I want to talk to a coach that can share that game plan with me, because I can see all the angles if someone teaches me. So just really, that's the true value for me, is sharing what I know best. And there's parts of the game that are all the same, but for the most part, each aspect of this game is very nuanced. So I really value that, and I think we need to remember that when we're developing our own skills. And then that really ties into, what machine are you building? Because we're all building a machine. You're not just doing a deal. You committed a lot of time, money, capital, friendships, and just your life. You're dedicated. This is your life's work. So what machine are you building? Because if you're doing a shopping center here, you're doing a self-storage development here, you're doing leasing industrial over here, you're confusing the shit out of everybody, right? Your lender doesn't know what's going on. Your assistant doesn't know what's going on. Your property manager doesn't know what's going on. Your attorney doesn't even know what's going on. Like, what are you doing right now? You know, and I'm the first guy that has done it, and I've made a lot of mistakes. And I'm driving the ship, and in the beginning the ship was small, and I could just maneuver that sucker all over the place. The market was going good. Whoop, made some money here, I'm pretty good. And then this ship gets big. This motherfucker does not turn. Because everyone behind me is like, whoa, where are you going? And I'm like, we gotta go, we gotta turn. They're like, nope, we're going this way, because this is all we know. And I'm like, oh boy, this is a mistake, because this is how transitioning from a small business owner to a mid-sized business to a large business, and I'm in the mid-sized stage. And what I've learned as a leader in building a culture is that culture is created through repetition. It's clarity of what the business does. What problem do we solve? Why do we exist? We exist, and it's not something special. It's for me, and I think for a lot of people here, we exist to empower and improve people's lives through commercial real estate investing, period. Like, I want the janitor to know. I want Margarita, my maid, to know. We empower and improve people's lives through commercial real estate investing. That's it, because if everyone knows what the fuck we're doing, then we have a chance to succeed. We make a difference in people's lives. A lot of people give us a lot of money, and communities depend on us. People shop at our places, they live in our places, they store in our places, they do business in our places. So this is a deadly group for both sides, because you got all the knowledge you need, you got money behind you, you got debt, but we just got to be careful, right? When you have a lot of resources, when someone has a lot of power, you have a lot of responsibility, and a lot of people are counting on you, not only in your team, but in your community. So you want to be sure that you live the lifestyle you want to live, and you become who you want to be, because that's the only thing that matters.
For more information on commercial real estate investing, go to patriotholdings.com. Thanks for listening.